Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. So student, today we are going to discuss an adverb of place. Okay, जैसे कि adverb of place नाम से पता चल रहा है कि place को बताता है, ठीक है? So adverb of place tell us where something happen. Okay, place के बारे में बता रहे हैं. तो here is arising where question. Okay, so adverb of place are usually placed after the main verb. Okay, after the clause that they modify. Okay, so adverb of place का use हम main verb के बाद करते हैं. Okay, after the main verb और after the clause that they modify. Okay, so let's take some example. Okay, adverb of place: everywhere, into, nowhere, here, there, above, below, inside, etc. Okay, these are adverb of place. Okay, because these are telling about the place. Okay, so let's take some example. He jumped into the river, okay, to save a little girl. Okay, so where did he jump? Okay, into the river. Okay, which question is arising here? Where question. Okay, so adverbs of place में where question आएगा. Okay, he jumped into the river to save a little girl. Okay, an aeroplane is flying above the cloud. Okay, so ये भी क्या है? Above the sky. Okay, here is arising where question. Okay, above the sky. Answer is above the sky. Okay, so above is adverb of place. Okay, your birthday present is placed inside the box. Okay, so inside it is telling about the place. Okay, so inside is adverb of place. Okay, so into, above, inside, these are adverbs of place. Okay, where question. Okay, stand here. Okay, so क्या है? Verb stand and adverb here. Which question is arising here? Where question. Okay, so place के लिए कौन सा question आता है? Where question. Okay, I moved forward. Okay, so here is also place. So place के लिए कौन सा question आ रहा है? Where question. Okay, so verb is moved here. Adverb forward. Okay, that's all for this session. I hope you all have understood well. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.